Alright, this is the 2013 Ram Pro Charger install, almost finished. So we got the intercooler all put on. Got almost everything put on. The blow off valve. Yep, it's almost there. It's coming along. Just need to add a few more things and it'll be done.